This is letter A and the sound is A. This is letter B and the sound is B. This is letter C and the sound is K. This is letter D and the sound is D, like D, drum. Now D. This is letter D and the sound is D, D. This is D, A, D, A, da, D, D, A, da, D, dad. D, A, D, A, da, इसकी साउंड होती है यानी कि कोई नी क्योंकि मुंह के अंदर की तरफ निकालने होते हैं, जैसे कोई भूख लग रही हो तो ड ए डैम, ड ए डैम. Now this is the capital D, where we use the capital D where there is a name. D a da, d a da, like the beavers. D a da, this is letter N and the sound is D a da, Dan, Dan. Once again, d a da, d. This is the word dad. This is the word dad. This is the word dad. D a da, d. Dad. D a da, damn. D a da, Dan. D a d, dad. D a damn. D a dan. D a d, dad. Dad का मतलब your father. Dad. D a dam, like the water dam where we store water to produce electricity. You can watch the dam video on YouTube by searching what is dam. D a da, Dan. Dan is the name of someone. Some boy Dan. A. B, b. C, k. D, d. E, a. F, G, g. H, I, J, K, k. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, We have 5 vowels. They are very special. Why are they special? Because they have 2 sounds. One long sound, the same as its name, and a short sound. Let's say the long sound of vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And now let's say the short sound of vowels: A, E, O, O.
E, O, A.
This is Tom. Tom has a dog. The dog